ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय ईशावास्य उपनिषद, पेज नंबर 18. We were seeing the fourth mantra, अनेजदेकं मनसो जवीयो नैनद्देवा आपनुवन पूर्वमर्षत्. So the meaning of this first part is, implied meaning is that Atma is not an object of sense organs and mind. Neither sense organs nor mind can reveal Atma. Atma will be revealed by Shabda Pramana. This is the main idea of the Purvardha. And we saw in Bhashya, Manaha, which is Dehastha, Brahmalokadi Durgamanam, Sankalpena Kshanamatra Bhavati. Of this mind, Mana goes far. And therefore, mind is the Upadhi of Atma. So, because Upadhi goes far, it is said Atma is faster than that, because Atma is already present there as Sakshi of that mind. Because if mind goes to Brahmaloka, आप थोड़ा इधर आ जाओ. If mind goes to Brahmaloka, then I know that mind is in Brahmaloka. Means my mind is thinking of some object in Brahmaloka. Therefore, Atma is Sakshi of that mind which has gone to Brahmaloka. Means Atma is already present there, as if. This is called being faster than mind. In Advaita Makaranda, there is a shloka which talks about Sarvagatatvam of Atma. What is that shloka? Abharupasya Vishwasya Bhanam Bhasannidher Vina Kadachinnavakalpyeta Bhachaham Tena Sarvagaha. Aham Sarvagaha, I am all pervading. Means I am present there where mind has gone also. Why? Because this Jagat is Abharupa. Otherwise it is not Prakashita, it is Jada. Abharupasya Vishwasya Bhanam Bhasannidhe. Bhasannidhe Vina Bhanam Kadachit Navakalpyate. Without the presence of Chaitanya there, how will I know any remote object? And that Chaitanya is my Swarupa. Bhacha aham. Tena means tasmat sarvagaha. So in Prakarana Grantha, if the shloka has come, they have used the ideas from Upanishad. Tika we have to see now. Let us see from second line. Chakshuradi pravritter manovyapara purvakatvat. Chakshuradi pravritti is manovyapara purvakatvat. तद विषयत्वे चक्षुरादि विषयत्वम अपि आत्मनो न संभवति इत्यर्थः. चक्षुरादि प्रवृत्ति requires मनोव्यापार, without which चक्षुरादि इंद्रिय cannot have प्रवृत्ति. तद विषयत्वे, and when that is not available, तद विषयत्वे 14 नंबर टिप्पणी मनो अविषयत्व. If an object cannot be known through mind, then that object cannot be known through sense organ. Correct? If an object cannot be known through mind, if it is mano avishaya, then indriya also cannot know it. That's why chakshuradi pravrittehe mano vyapara purvaka. Purvaka means what is first is mano vyapara. It is required. If mind cannot go there, indriya will not find anything about that vishaya. Chakshuradi vishayatvam api atmano na sambhavati ityartha. If mind cannot know atma, so what is implied? Indriyas also good. Indriyas also cannot know atma. Because for indriya to know atma, mind to know atma is a prerequisite. So if mind itself cannot know, then what to talk of indriya? मनसो वा कथम न विषय आत्मा इत्यतः आह. Why do you say Atma is not the Vishaya of mind? Manasah Vishayah Atma Katham na. In this way you have to do Anvaya. How Atma is not Vishaya of mind? number tippani, which is on Manasova, that Shabda. अत्यंत अव्यवहितत्वात् मनोविषयत्वेन तु भवितव्यम् इति. एवं वितर्कार्थो अयं वा शब्दः. It is said between Atma and mind there is no vyavadhana. So that at least mind should be able to know Atma. It is atyanta avyavahita. Vyavahita means there is some vyavadhana, there is some obstruction. So then I can understand if vyavadhana is there, I cannot know. But between mind and Atma there is nothing. Purva Pakshi is asking a question. In Bhashya, first we have to see previous line. On the previous page you see, Tasmin Manas means on that page. Tasmin Manasi Brahm, from that we write, or a previous line?
Swamiji, in this Tippani, Vittarka is there, Swamiji. Evam Vittarka.
Not Evam Vittarka. That one ta is to be removed. Evam Vitarkartho ayam va shabdaha. If it has two tas, then one takara, half takara you remove. In Bhashya, see that line, Tasmin Manasi Brahmalokadin Dhritam Gacchati Sati Prathama Prapta Iva Atma Chaitanya Avabhaso Grihyate. Ato Manoso Javiya Ityah. Tadavishay, Tasmin Manasi, when mind goes to Brahmaloka, Brahmalokadin Dhrutam gacchati sati, when it rapidly goes that far, prathama prapta iva atma chaitanya avabhaso grihyate. First, what is recognized is chidabhasa. Chidabhasa means this jivatva, aham asmi. Then only you recognize mind. Like when, so best example is when you wake up from deep sleep. First thing is aham. That there is astitva of myself. Then mind is a vishaya, it is recognized later. So when I start thinking, so then that mind is also illumined. Prakashanam happens. Continue in Bhashya. Nainad deva द्योतनाद देवाः चक्षुरादीनि इंद्रियाणि एतत् प्रकृतम आत्मतत्वं नाप्नुवन् न प्राप्तवन्तः. Devatas who are Dyotanat Devaha, those who have Dyotanam as its dharma, swabhava, to illumine things, even they, Devata means Chakshuradini Indriyani, even they could not reveal Atma Tattva. Prakritam Atma Tattvam na apnuvan. Prakritam Atma Tattva means that Atma Tattva whose topic is going on from mantra number 1. That Isha Vasyam, that Isha is Atmana. So there, Isha literally means Atma. Napnuvan, na praptavantaha. Tebhyo mano javiyo mano vyapara vyavahitatvat. Mind is tebhyaha javiyaha. Tebhyaha kebhyaha? No. Vishayabhya, no. In the previous line you see what is in Bahuvachanam. Indriyabhya. Who gave the answer? Good. Indriyabhya. Tebhya. In Tippani what is given? Or something. That is a hetu. Tebhyo mano javiyaha. Mano vyapara vyavahitatvat. Indriya has mano vyapara vyavadhanam. Indriya vyapara is mano vyapara vyavahita. Any sense organ, if it has to know the Vishaya, it needs mind. Why? Because tadakara vritti has to happen. If there is ghata outside, and from Chakshur Indriya, ghatakar vritti has to happen, antakarana vritti has to go. Right? So that mana is required between Indriya and Vishaya, for any Vishaya. So, mano vyapara vyavahitatvat. You see, Bhashyakar in Upanishad Bhashya is explaining lot of these things. Right? These are actually concepts to be picked up in Prakarana Granthas, but he mentions these things. Now you see another topic he is mentioning, another concept. Abhasa matram api atmano naiva devanam vishayi bhavati. What is the meaning of this? Abhasa matram api atmano naiva. First we have to do anvaya of this vakya. How will this vakya go? Atmano abhasa matram api देवानाम विषयी न भवति. Atmanah abhas, even chidabhasa does not become the Vishayi for Devata means sense organs. Five number. So sense organs cannot even know Chidabhasa. What to talk of Atma? आत्मनो आभासमात्रमपि इवन चिदाभास देवानां विषयी न भवति. विषयी न भवति. Let me see if it is in Hindi they have Vishaya only. Vishayi means you should understand Vishaya in this way. Yasmat. So now this is the Yasmat from the Tika. Up to this we have come. Yasmat Javanan Manasopi Purvam Arshat Purvam Eva Gatam. Javanan Javanat Manasopi Purvam. Before the mind started running, before that itself Atma reached there. Javanat Manasopi. Both are in fifth case. Javanat Manasaha Api Purvam. Prior to the running mind, Atma Purvam Eva Gatam. Purvam Arshat. Arshat Purvam Eva Gatam. It reached there first.
स्वामी जी इसके पहले वाला लाइन में था आभास मात्रमपि.
Oh, done.
वो समझ में नहीं आई.
So what is said is Chidabhasa also cannot be known by sense organs. Sense organs cannot know Chidabhasa. Abhas means Chidabhasa. If sense organs cannot know Chidabhasa, what to talk of sense organs knowing Atma?
Sense organs are lead by Chidabhasa only. Okay.
I couldn't hear. क्या आप फिर से बोलो?
Sense organs are being activated by Chidabhasa only.
So sense organs.
So how will they will have?
So that is what he said. Sense organs. Chidabhasa cannot be drishya for sense organs. Chidabhasa will be drashta for sense organs. So that's why they cannot know. If sense organs cannot know Chidabhasa, what to talk of sense organs knowing Atma? पूर्वमेव अर्षत् पूर्वमेव गतम व्योमवद व्यापित्वात्. Atma is akashavad sarvagataha, vyapaka. So because it is vyapaka, it is already there before. Purvameva gatam. Arshat. So arshat rishi dhatu is for gati, gatyartha. Rishi gatau. It is given in 7 number tippani, just first two words. Rishi gatau iti. तौदादिकात् लंग व्यत्ययो बहुलम इति. लंग लकार है अर्षत. फर्दर इन टीका यथा मनस्थम परिमाणम मनसो न विषयो अत्यंत अव्यवधानात् तथा अपि आत्मा तथा आत्मा अपि अत्यंत अव्यवधानात् मनसो न विषयस् तद व्यापकत्वाच्च इत्यर्थः। यथा मनस्थं परिमाणं मनसो न विषयः। Instead of taking this example, another example we will take, then we can use this example. सुखाकार वृत्ति और दुखाकार वृत्ति, where does this वृत्ति take place? Mind, in अंतःकरण. Does that अंतःकरण know that there is सुखाकार वृत्ति और दुखाकार वृत्ति? अंतःकरण cannot know I am सुखी और दुखी. Who will know? Sakshi. Sakshi will illumine अंतःकरण वृत्ति. So, सुखाकार दुखाकार वृत्ति is modification of अंतःकरण, mind. It is within there only. Still mind cannot know, even though there is no vyavadhana. So just because there is no vyavadhana does not mean mind will know it. It needs to have some vyavadhana. It should become drishya. One and the same thing cannot be drashta and drishya at the same time. Okay, so now here they have given another guna of manaha, manastham parimanam, sankhya parimana पृथक्त्व संयोग विभाग. So manaha is dravya, parimana is guna. So they have used that drashtanta here, that mind has a guna and still mind cannot know that guna, according to their darshan also. यथा मनस्थम परिमाणम मनसो न विषयः अत्यंत अव्यवधानात् तथा आत्मा अपि अत्यंत अव्यवधानात् मनसो न विषयः. Therefore atma also cannot be known. And in Vedanta Siddhanta, atma and mind, even though they are two, because of anyanya adhyasa, for most people manaha is different, even that is not recognized unless there is lot of viveka and alertness. तद व्यापकत्वाच्च इत्यर्थः. उक्त आत्म संभावनाय उपपत्तिम आह. For this atma sambhavana means that atma will not become the vishaya of manaha and indriya. For that upapatti yukti is given. भाष्य फर्स्ट यू सी. सर्वव्यापी तदात्म तत्वम सर्व संसार धर्म वर्जितम. आत्मतत्वम इज सर्वव्यापी. यस, सर्व संसार धर्म वर्जितम. हाउ डू आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस? इन सुषुप्ति. इन सुषुप्ति there is no dharma in me. I am without any conditioning, without any attributes, and there is no bhanam of desha, there is no bhanam of kala. Because there is no bhanam of desha, I say atma is sarvavyapi. Because there is no bhanam of kala, we say atma is eternal. The nityatva and sarvagatatva, they are only with respect to desha kala. Really speaking, desha kala bhanam itself is not there. Sarvavyapi, because nobody will be actually able to see atma is all pervading. There is no pervading idea. What happens is, when my attention is on Atma, there is no Desha Bhana, Kala Bhana. Like in Samadhi also, when a person is completely absorbed in Atma, Desha Kala Bhana is not there. That is most important. Okay. सर्व संसार धर्म वर्जितम आत्मतत्वम स्वेन निरूपाधिकेन स्वरूपेण अविक्रियमेव सत्. By itself, निरूपाधिक स्वरूप, it is avikari. Upadhikritaha sarvaha sansara vikriya. All vikriyas are there because of upadhi, conditionings. What is the definition of upadhi? And tarka sangraha?
व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम्.
साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम्. Very good. सर्वाः संसार विक्रिया अनुभवति इव अविवेकिनाम. For aviveki, all vikriyas are in Atma. For viveki, all vikriyas are in upadhi. Whatever is the upadhi. So this is what I have to understand, that all the problems are in upadhi. Whether it is sharira upadhi, mana upadhi, whatever. Avivekinam, mudhanam, anekam iva cha pratideham pratyavabhasate iti etadaha. Avivekinam means mudhanam. So Atma is ekam, but for avivekinam, anekam. Why? Because upadhis are aneka. Therefore, anekam iva cha pratideham. Deham deham prati. Agnir yathaiko bhuvanam pravishtaha. Rupam rupam prati rupo babhuva. Ekas tatha sarvabhutantaratma rupam rupam prati rupo bahishcha. In Kathopanishad we saw one Atma appears as many, just like one Agni. In different pieces of wood, etc., cloth, etc., we will think there is one Agni here, one Agni, because everywhere fire can manifest. But how many fires are there? One. Pratideham pratyavabhasate, it appears, it shines. Iti etadaha. Tadhavato dhrutam gacchato अन्यान आत्मविलक्षणान मनोवागेन्द्रिय प्रवृत्तीन अतीत्य प्रवृत्तीन अत्येति. प्रवृत्तीन atyeti means atitya gacchati iva. So now that part, tadhavato nyan atyeti. Tadhavatah dhrutam gachatah anyan. Atma, when it runs, it excels everybody. Atma doesn't run, but because of upadhi. Atma vilakshanan mano vag indriya pravritin. Manaha, vag indriya, all other indriyas. Atyeti. Atyeti means atitya gacchati. It supersedes all of them. It surpasses all of them. Iva artham swayam eva. Why did you say iva? As if. Iva artham swayam eva darshati तिष्ठत इति तद्धावतोन्यानत्येति तिष्ठत means really it doesn't go anywhere. Only mudhanam eva. For mudha, they think it is as if running. Found or not? Huh? We are in Bhashya, third line on that page. Tishthat iti, fourth line. Swayam avikriyam eva sat ityartha. Atma by itself is avikriyam, avikari. So every time we have to understand, I am this avikari Chaitanya, all modifications, etc., they are not in me. Even though sometimes I get tired, I get frustrated, I get depressed, etc., etc., really speaking, all of them are not in me. तस्मिन् आत्मतत्वे सति नित्य चैतन्य स्वभावे मातरिश्वा. So this line is where we were in Tika. In the Tika, the pratika was Tasmin Atmatattve Sati. Ukta Atma Sambhavanaya Upapattim Aha Tasmin. So that is this. Tasmin Atmatattve Sati Nitya Chaitanya Swabhave. Because Atma Tattva is of this nature and it is present everywhere, and it is Chaitanya Rupa, Nitya Chaitanya Swabhave, Matarishva, Matari, Antarikshe, Shwayati, Gachati, iti Matarishva, Vayuhu. Vayuhu means Pranaha. Pranaha means Hiranyagarbha. Sarva Prana Prabhriti Kriyatmako. Sarva Prana Bhriti, Sarva Prana Bhrit, Sarva Prana Bhrit Kriyatmako. That Vayu which is enlivening factor for all. All jivas who are breathing, prana is required. That life is Hiranyagarbha in all. Sarva Prana Bhrit, Sarva Pranam Bibharti iti sarva prana bhrit. Kriyatmakaha. It is kriya swarupaha. Yad ashrayani karya karana jatani. In whose ashraya all this karya karana sanghata is there. Quotation is given from Chandogya, 8 number Tippani. Yadashrayani ityadi. Sahovacha Vayurvai Gautama tat sutram Vayuna vai Gautama sutrena ayancha lokaha parashcha lokaha sarvani cha bhutani sandribdhani bhavanti. Ayam lokaha parah loka. So Gautama is the student there to whom it is said, this world, higher worlds, everywhere prana means Hiranyagarbha is present, who enlivens all. Faster than this Hiranyagarbha or greater than this Hiranyagarbha is Brahma, Atma. सर्व प्राणभृत क्रियात्मको यदाश्रयाणि कार्य करण जातानि यस्मिन् ओतानि प्रोतानि च. And all karya karana sanghata is residing in this Hiranyagarbha. Means all later cause and effects are there, or you say all sthula shariras, sukshma shariras are there. Karya means sthula sharira, karana means sukshma sharira. They all are in Hiranyagarbha. Yasmin otani protani cha, and they are pervaded by this Hiranyagarbha. Yat sutra sanyakam, which is also referred by the word sutra, sutratma. सर्वस्य जगतो विधारयितृ स मातरिश्वा. The one who is Vidharayita of the entire Jagat is called Matarishwa. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murtibheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.